ENB stock analysis, super interesting. Is it a buy? In this 1 minute video, I'm covering all this in this very short 1 minute video. Having done well over 40,000 videos, I've seen what's making me money and what's not, and in particular, Enbridge. I'm in love with this bullish market, right? Like I'm the only guy in the space that's actually documented 40,000 videos, and how I'm looking to play this is actually quite simple. Let's come here. Well, yeah, gonna mark up the top because it is the top, and I'm just praying for pull downs. I'm just praying for corrections because that's the only way that I can actually quite get involved. In this particular instance, like I'm going to be looking at like a 10-15 minute for confirmation, and if no rules are met, then why the heck would I look to get involved, right? I'm just saying. So let me know what is your opinion on ENB, and if you want to learn how I'm consistently generating 5 to 10k per month without indicators, then just click the first link in the description and get my free emails.